Hey y'all, it's me xHero. I'm gonna show you how to rob the jewelry store, which is a new update. It's really cool. It's still in its early stages. I'm probably gonna add more to it later. But as of right now, I'm gonna show you how to rob it. So, first thing you wanna do, well, it doesn't matter what you get first. You're gonna want an axe, which randomly spawns around the map. As if you were gonna rob the bank, you know, you're gonna want to find the axe. And then what you're gonna need is a duffel bag, which is a new tool that the gas station sells now. So you go to the gas station and you go to the gas guy, and it's right here, the duffel bag. You can buy it for $500. Yeah, it's pretty expensive, but it's really high quality because I made it. So yeah, you buy it. Then you're gonna want to go to the jewelry store, which is over here in the old town on Rogers Lane. So one thing you want to know is that you're not allowed to rob during the daytime. You're only allowed to rob during midnight to I think it's 9 o'clock in the morning or 6. I don't remember, but just know you can only rob from midnight to that time. So you got like, what, 6 minutes to be able to rob, something like that. So right now, if you check your xHero phone, if you have one, which will be useful, you should definitely go buy one. It says 17. It needs to be 0. So I'm gonna use a super cool command to make it midnight for the sake of this video. So I'm gonna make it 0 o'clock, which is midnight. So now it's super dark. It'll be useful to have friends along. I do not recommend doing this alone, but because I'm the coolest guy ever, I'm gonna do it alone with no help. But I don't have a flashlight, so for the sake of this video, I'm gonna light myself with a super cool command. So yeah. You wanna take your axe. You're gonna wanna break this down. Break it down. Break the door down, and it'll let you through. Now be careful. You wanna be fast, because this thing will trigger a silent alarm. You're gonna wanna be fast. That's why I say you should bring people with you. Alright, you break it, take everything with you. You need a duffel bag to take things. If you don't, you can't take anything. So take it, take it, take it. Take it. Oh shoot, I need to fix that. Just spam the radio with the jewelry store. Yeah, take things, take it, take it, take it. Oh no, 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 you hear that, guys? It's the cops. We gotta get out of here. We gotta get out of here. No, 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 no. No! Ah! It's the cops,
hey,
y'all.
It's the sheriff's office. Hands up.
Get out of here.
Hands up. Oh, man.
Get out of here, losers. Pigs. Man,
On
you
a
think you're
1080
so
on
cool.
it's like a green, no, it's not. Here, my car's green. Stand by, stand by.
Alright, screw the cops. See, that's what happens. You don't mess with me. Alright. So now what you guys want to do is take your duffel bag to the jewelry collector, and he'll take your money. Well, he won't take your money. He'll take the jewels and give you money. So we lost the cops. We lost the pigs. So now what you want to do is go to him, which he's located over here near STR and gas to stop. So yeah, hopefully he doesn't find us. Let's see, where is he at? Where is he at? He's right there. He looks kind of familiar, doesn't he? Well, what you want to do is pull out your duffel bag and give it to him. And look, you got money. No, no, not this guy again. Not this guy again. Get out of here.
This is the Federal Bureau of Investigation. Wait, hold on. This is the MCSO. Get out of the car.
No!
Hey, my antenna. What have you done? Probably shouldn't be using that car. It's so bright.
Alright, guys. That's how you rob That's how you rob the jewelry store. There is still more features to be added. The more features I add to this, the more value the jewels will have and the more money you'll get. There's going to be things like you got to cut the right wire to turn off the alarm and stuff like that. You know, you get the point. So, yeah, that's how you rob the jewelry store. I hope you guys enjoy this update. If you find any problems with it, let me know. So, yeah, thanks for watching. And thanks, epicrunner, for joining me in this video.
No problem.
Yeah. All right. Bye, guys.